Hello everyone, this is Erica. Today we are going to talk about how to create an app in Jodoo. At the beginning stage, it is normal to have questions about the app you are building. You might wonder what is an app in Jodoo and how to create an app. In this guide, we will go through these two common questions so that you are equipped with the needed concepts and skills to create an app in Jodoo. Our first question is, what is an app in Jodoo? Now, let's navigate to jodoo.com first. After navigating to jodoo.com, click Login. Don't forget to keep the Remember Me checked to save your time on the next login. Now we are at your homepage, which we call Workspace in Jodoo. In Jodoo, one gets to drag and drop to create one's own solution and make working efficient. The flexible solutions are operational systems in the form of apps. Apps in Jodoo contain all the information you need for a particular project or collection, similar to a folder that contains individual files. Each of the square icons on your home page is a different app. It's kind of like a workbook in a traditional spreadsheet and can contain multiple tables of content. For example, an app for customer resource management could have separate forms for sales leads, companies, and deal opportunities, whereas an app for tracking a task could have separate forms for the task and employee registry items. So that is an app in Jodoo. Then our second question, how to create an app in Jodoo? Let's say we need to create a single place to hold all the details associated with the human resource management. In order to track and organize all the updates, we are going to need a new app. Hover over the new app to create an app. Now there are multiple ways to get started with Jodoo. I can start from scratch or start with a template. If you want to start from scratch, click the new app. Now it's asking me to name my app, so I'm going to call this Human Resource Management, and I'm going to select a group for this app, change the color, and customize the icon. And we can go ahead and get started with creating forms and dashboards for each project or process in this app. If you want to start with a template instead, let's visit the Template Center and find the template with keyword searching. Have a preview of the forms and dashboards. If it suits your demands, install the app along with the sample data or install the app only. Once installed, the app will be on your homepage under Others. That's all for this video. If you want to go further or check the demo on practical cases, check out our guided walkthrough to create an app. Or register for the Jodoo beginner course to get started in Jodoo. The Jodoo beginner course is a recurring event. For more details, refer to become a no-code app developer in just 6 days. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We have 3 more videos just like this in our quick tutorial playlist and loads of other fascinating feature guides to share with you. This is Erica. Thank you for watching. See you next time.